Hello, good afternoon, everyone. So, we are back with another unboxing of this time a Sony CH 720N headphone wireless noise cancelling that I got from Amazon. And let's just see what's inside of it. And if also this thing I bought it as a renewed one, not as a directly from the company like Sony or something. But I think renewed products in general are like really good for environment and for our pockets as well. It's as good as new, and it saves us a lot of money. So yeah, I got this, and I think this has been shipped to me directly by the seller, not through Amazon because it's not in the Amazon box. So yeah, but that's not a problem. It was shipped through UPS, and this is a big box, which I hope, because the original box of the headphones CS720, and it's a decent one. And yeah, so there's nothing to see in this external box. Let's just open it and see what's inside of it, and if it's good enough or not. Okay, so finally the moment of truth. Let's just see if it's inside of it. Whoa, what are these? We only care about our headphones. Let's just keep all of this for a side for now. Okay, so we do have the box. That's good. You can see. And it had the retail price of $179, and I got it for like very cheap. I got it for around $69 and without taxes, so around 78 or something. And it usually retails for around 110 without taxes, so I think it's a pretty good deal, if especially if the conditions good for this and if it works pretty well. And yeah, Sony Corporation. Just seeing the box, if there's anything useful for us. Oh, Google Assistant and Alexa are not available in all regions and countries. We'll have to check that out. But yeah, 360 reality audio, noise cancelling, 35 hours, multi-point, iPhone, iPad, Alexa, Google, all that. Just wanted to see when was it like manufactured. All these specifications and features are written over here. Is noise cancelling, music playback of up to 35 hours, 3 minutes charge, hands-free phone calls, and multiple other things. I had some other options also before buying this, but this is the one that I went with because it had good noise cancelling, and it was very lightweight. I guess it was the best lightweight option that I could have had in this price range. So yeah, they have, the sellers has taped it up. Let's just cut through it and see the actual product here. There were multiple sellers selling this, the renewed one. I just went with one which had, I guess it was the second best price. The best price one was not really that good, but there were multiple options. So if you go with the renewed one, you can just choose what you think is the best for you based on the seller's rating and yeah, everything. It's just randomly taped. Okay, so finally it opens like this. We have Sony over here. Oh yes, finally we do have them. It's a really actually pretty good quality. If you can see, we have Sony branding over here, almost as good as new. I don't see any scratches or smudges or anything like that. We have the power on off button, cable, like the type C and 3.5 mm jack, noise cancelling, and it's pretty light. Actually, that's why I wanted this thing. I had the Sennheiser Accentum and then Bose option also, but there was Sony Altowear also one, but I just went with this one because it was the lightest. And we have the cable, like the 3.5 mm jack cable, and USB A to USB Type C cable. And we also have, I guess, no, it's just, I thought we don't get a carrying pouch or case in this one. We do only get them in the XM4s or the higher models. I guess they wanted to deliver the best quality at the cheapest price, so they just did this. And I guess that's it for this video. If you guys have any questions or anything, please do let me know. I will make sure to answer all of them, and I will get back to you with another unboxing soon in the future. Cool. Have a good one, guys.